If you regularly sleep less than 6 hours a night, your body is running on a level of impairment similar to being legally drunk. Your cancer risk doubles. Your testosterone drops by 10 to 15%. Your brain is literally shrinking. And the worst part, you've adapted to feeling this way, so you don't even notice anymore. What I'm about to share with you changed how I think about sleep forever. We live in a culture that treats sleep deprivation like a badge of honor. Hustle culture tells you to sleep less and grind more. But the science tells a completely opposite story. Sleep isn't downtime. It's when your body does its most critical repair work. And when you cut it short, the damage is immediate, measurable, and cumulative. Point 1. Your brain physically shrinks. During sleep, your brain activates the glymphatic system, flushing out toxic proteins, including amyloid beta, which accumulates in Alzheimer's disease. A 2021 study found that people who regularly slept 6 hours or less in their 50s had a 30% higher risk of developing dementia. Point 2. Your immune system crashes. People who slept less than 6 hours were 4.2 times more likely to catch the common cold. One bad night of sleep reduces natural killer cell activity, your body's cancer-fighting cells, by 70%. Point 3. Hormones go haywire. Just 1 week of sleeping 5 hours per night reduces testosterone in men by 10 to 15%, equivalent to aging 10 to 15 years. Cortisol rises. Ghrelin, hunger hormone, increases. Leptin, fullness hormone, drops. Sleep deprivation is one of the most powerful drivers of weight gain. Point 4. Your heart takes a hit. The switch to daylight saving time, losing just 1 hour, causes a 24% increase in heart attacks the following day. Chronic short sleep is associated with a 200% increased risk of heart attack and stroke. Point 5. How to actually fix your sleep. Keep a consistent wake time, even on weekends. Keep your bedroom at 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. No screens 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Avoid alcohol within 3 hours of sleep. Get morning sunlight within 30 minutes of waking. Sleep isn't a luxury. It's the foundation everything else is built on. No supplement, no diet, no biohack can undo the damage of chronic sleep deprivation. Protect it like your life depends on it. Because the research says it does.